Okay, for this part you need a calculator, of course. I gave you the density triangle. I know, really nice. Here we go. A block of aluminum occupies a volume of 15 milliliters and weighs 40.5 grams. What is its density? Identify what is the density, the mass, and the volume, and do the math. Remember your units. Number 2, what is the weight of the ethyl alcohol that exactly fills a 200 milliliter container? The density of ethyl alcohol is 0.789 grams per milliliter. Again, identify the density, the mass, and the volume, and set it up and do the math. Okay, short answer. Does this map represent a mountain or a valley? How can you tell? Please be sure to answer both questions and complete sentences. How does this image show the hydrosphere and geosphere interacting? Please write 2 sentences. And finally, explain how this photo shows all 4 spheres interacting. If you need more space, you can write on a separate sheet of paper or write down here. All right, very good.